Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we shall be talking about well-dressed Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah used to dress himself closer to perfection. His elegant and magnificent personality gave him respect wherever he went. It's narrated that on visit to London for political meeting, he stayed in a hotel. In the morning, he descended from his hotel suite into the breakfast hall using stairs. When the people present in the restaurant noticed him, they all rose involuntarily and stood up as a gesture of respect to him. Credit goes to his dress. Jinnah was one of the New York Times best dressed men of 1946. Expressing his thoughts on Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Lord Wavell, who's been Viceroy of India from 1943 to 1947, said, "Mr. Jinnah was one of the handsomest men I have ever seen. He combined the clear-cut, almost Christian features of the West with Oriental grace and movement." Qaid Azam was a supporter and a wearer of the well-tailored suits. Most of the time, the suits that he wore were heavily starched shirts with detachable collars. As a barrister, he never wore same silk tie twice. Even on his deathbed, he insisted to be formally dressed, saying, "I will not travel in my pajamas." Respected ladies and gentlemen, Arz Watan Arz Pakistan, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Arz Watan Arz Pakistan. Thank you.